The Food Service Exchange presents.
This is a bobble cooler, Hoshizaki's bobble cooler. We're going to show you how to remove and install the bin dividers. Okay, we're going to start with the one furthest to the left. Alright, take the middle one out and just lay off the side a little bit so you can easily remove the first one. And it's just lifted out, kind of sideways. Make sure to not lose the spring. That's going to be always at the rear of the unit. Now go ahead and remove the middle one that you had already set to the side. Again, you just lift it out sideways. Make sure the spring is still attached. The longer one is going to go on the outside. The shorter one goes in the middle. So you see the middle ones here, the shorter ones fit, and the longer ones fit on the outside. So the process is the same for these two. You would go ahead and loosen that one so you can remove the outside one. Now we're going to reinstall. Take the shorter one, spring side towards the back. Go ahead and first line up the hole in the rear, pull back the spring, place it in the grommet in the rear, place the opposite end, the grommets in the front. Just slide it over out of the way so you can install the longer one. Now we're sliding in the divider. That's all the way on the left. And start with the rear spring. Fit into the grommet. And then line up with the grommets on the front. Now we're going to make sure the grommet's fully seated in the rear again. And then move one of the middle dividers back to the grommets in the front, making sure that it's fully seated. Now don't forget to place your thermostat. It's easily just hung on one of the dividers here so it can be easily seen.